Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd. Of course, you already know. um, and today we're talking about walls.io, a very, very niche little clever tool. I think it's really cool. Um, it basically allows you to take your social media content and pop it on your website, really any kind of website. It automatically forms to whatever you can display it in embed on any kind of website and automatically adjusts and forms to the screen size and the resolution and everything. So if you have a great Instagram or a great YouTube or a great LinkedIn, maybe I should use my LinkedIn, right? I just simply embed it on my website so people can see all the stuff that I'm posting, and it gives me a little bit of social proof. It gives people a little bit of context from where they're coming from or where they can go or what content that I create and how I help the world via social media, right? But if you make content on social media and you want to show that off really, really quickly and easily, you can boom, just embed everything completely simply, completely automated on your website so people know what you do, how you help people, and where to find you and where to follow you. So I would imagine one of the main kind of benefits of this is it directly increases the amount of followings you get from website visitors. So if I want somebody to visit me on LinkedIn and I want everybody that visits my website to find me on LinkedIn, I should link my LinkedIn. So cool, awesome. Social media is now on your website. Let me know if you have any questions on how you can use this, and I'll see you in the next episode.